Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. We were discussing O-level mathematics D past paper number 4024 from winter 23 and question paper number 21. In last video, we covered problem number 124. So we'll start problem 5. Before that, we made a mistake in last video in question number 3BI. We're supposed to find the length of line AB, but we found the equation. So just AB, we have to find the length AB. So where's the length? AB equals to root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, where x1, y1 and x2, y2 is the coordinate of point A and B. So x1 means 4 and x2 means minus 2. 4 minus minus 2, that is 4 plus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 8 whole square. 5 minus 8 whole square. That is the difference between x coordinates and the y coordinates. So 4 plus 2 whole square, that is 6 square, that is 36. And 5 minus 8 is minus 3 whole square, that is 3 is a 9. 36 plus 9, root over 45, root over 45. Let's calculate root over 45 using calculator. It is 6.708. That means 6.71 up to 3 significant figure. Okay, let's move on to problem number 5. This is a part of a bus timetable. Town square, railway station, business park, airport. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 schedule are mentioned here. Work out how long the bus takes to get from the town square to the business park. Town square to the business park. Okay. So 6:30 to 7:16. 7:16 minus 6:30. So 30 minutes and 16 minutes, that is 46 minutes. Okay. So 46 minutes is the answer. Second question, Tom arrives at the railway station at 7:12. He gets on the next bus to the airport. Find the time he arrives at the airport. Okay, he arrives the railway station at 7:12. Railway station here, 7:12. So he missed this bus, 7:08. So he can get into the next bus, which is 7:28. Okay, 7:28. Find the time he arrives at the airport. So this bus will arrive at airport at 8:15. So the answer is 8:15. Okay. Next question. 160 workers at the business park are asked the time taken in minutes for their journey to work. The results are shown in the cumulative frequency diagram. Okay, there is a diagram, cumulative frequency diagram. Use the diagram to estimate the number of workers whose journey took less than 30 minutes. Less than 30 minutes. Okay, this is 30. So if we draw a vertical line from 30 minutes, it will intersect the curve at this point. And if we take the y coordinates, it will be in this position. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units, 5 small squares in between 40 and 60. So each square consists of 4 5s are 20. Each square consists of 4 units. Okay, 4 units. So there are 4 squares after 40. That means 4 4 is 16. 40 plus 4 4 is 16. That is 56. 56. Okay, 56. So there are 56 peoples. 56 peoples. Okay, the number of workers whose journey took less than 30 minutes. That means there are 56 workers whose journey took less than 30 minutes. Next question, the interquartile range. We know that the interquartile range is the 75% minus 25% data. Okay, what is 75%? In the cumulative frequency, there, if the total population is 160, then 75% of 160 is 120. And 25% of 160 is 30. Sorry, 40. 40, yes. Okay, so 120 and 40. We have to take the x coordinate of 120 and 40. Okay, this point intersects this horizontal line from 120, intersects the curve at this point, and 40 will intersect at this point. Okay, so we have to take x coordinate or the time taken for 120 and 40. So 120 if we draw carefully, then we'll find that this point, this vertical line will intersect the x coordinate or x axis or the time axis at 52, 54. This point is 54. Okay, and I have to take another vertical line from this point, and it will be 24. Okay, so 54 minus 24. 75% cumulation frequency minus 25% frequency. So the time will be 54 minus 24. That is 30. That means the interquartile range is 30 minutes. Okay, the percentage of workers whose journey took longer than 1 hour. The percentage of workers whose journey took longer than 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour means 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes. 60 minutes is here. Okay, so the vertical line from 60 minutes will intersect the curve at this point, and the horizontal line will intersect the y-axis or the cumulative frequency axis. Intersect at this point. This point represents, we know that in y-axis or the cumulative frequency axis, one smaller square represent 4 units. So there are 3 square. That means 3 4 is 12. 120 plus 12 is 132. So 132 of 160 people. 132 of 160 people took 60 or less time, 60 minutes or less time. And the rest of the people, that means 160 minus 132. 160 minus 132 people, 160 minus 132 people, which is 28. 28 people of 160 whose journey took longer than 1 hour. Okay, so which is in percentage, which is 28 by 160 times 100. Okay, 280 by 16. It is 17.5. So the answer is 17.5%. Next question, Chen's journey to work is a distance of 37 kilometers. Correct to the nearest kilometer. His journey on Monday take 43 minutes. Correct to the nearest minute. Calculate the lower bound of the average speed for this journey. Give your answer in kilometers per hour. So the speed or the average speed is kilometer per hour. Okay, so He traveled 37 kilometers by 43 minutes. 43 minutes, we have to take the unit as kilometers per hour. So 43 divided by 60 hour. Okay, this is the average speed. As we have to take the lower bound of the average speed, and we have to take the lower bound of the 37 kilometer, okay, which is actually 36.5. And as well as we have to maximize the denominator, okay. So 43 will be calculated as 43.5 by 60, okay. It is 50.34 kilometer per hour, okay. Okay, so the average speed is 37 by 43 by 60. So average speed is 51.63, approximately 51.63. Okay, if we just calculate 37 by 43 by 60, it will be 51.63 kilometer per hour. So what this value represents? 50.34, it is the lower bound, as the 37 kilometer or the 43 minutes are approximately or the correct to the nearest minute and nearest kilometer. So the lower bound will be 50.34. Okay, and if you want to find the upper bound, in that case you have to take 37.5 divided by 42.5 by 60. 52.94 is the upper bound, okay. 50.34 is the lower bound, and the upper bound is 52.94, and the average speed is 51.63. Hope you understand. Let's move on to the next question, number 6. ABCD is a rectangle with area 30 centimeters square. AB equals to x centimeter. Rectangle DEFG is removed from the corner of the rectangle ABCD, given that AE equals to CG equals to 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Okay. Write down an expression for BC in terms of x. BC in terms of x. Okay. As ABCD square, the area of the ABCD rectangle given by 30 centimeter, we know that area equals to length times width. So length BC times width x equals to the rectangle area 30. So x equals to 30, BC equals to 30 by x. Okay, BC equals to 30 by x. Show that the shaded area y centimeter square is given by y equals to 2x plus 60 by x minus 4. So we have to find the shaded area. Okay, shaded area. The shaded area will be the total area or the bigger rectangle minus smaller rectangle. Okay, bigger rectangle is 30 square centimeter minus the smaller rectangle. Okay, smaller rectangle will be this length EF times FG. So EF equals to x minus 2 and FG equals to 30 by x minus 2. Why? Because we already expressed BC as 30 by x. And we have to just remove this value, this length, which is actually 2. So 30 minus x, 30 by x minus 2 is the length of FG. And EF equals to simply x minus 2. And if we multiply x minus 2 and 30 by x minus 2, we'll get this rectangular area DEFG. Okay, just multiply 30 by x minus 2 times x by 2, x minus 2. Okay. X will be cancelled out, just 30 minus 2x minus 32 is 60, 60 by x minus minus plus 2 to the 4. Okay. 30 minus 30 will be cancelled out, minus minus plus 2x plus 60 by x minus 4. So we just showed that the shaded area y centimeter square is given by twice x plus 60 by x minus 4. Okay. Number C, complete the table for y equals to twice x plus 60 by x minus 4. All values are given. Just if x equals to 14, what will be the value of y? Okay. We have to use calculator. 2 times 14 plus 60 by 14 minus 4 is 28.285. 28.3. 1 decimal point place. Okay. Now draw the graph of y equals to twice x plus 60 by x minus 4 for x is greater than or equal to and less than or equal to 14. From 2 to 14. Okay, let's plot this point into this graph paper. 230, 322, 230, 230, 322, 322. We have plotted these points into this graph paper, and now we have to connect these points in freehand. Okay. Next question. The shaded area is 24 centimeters square. The length of AB is less than the length of BC. Use your graph to find the dimension of rectangle ABCD. That means we have to find the value of x, and we are given by the value of y, which is 24. If the value of y is 24, okay, then the x coordinate will be this one and this one, which is actually approximately 2.6, and this one could be 11.3, 11.3 and 2.6. Okay, so 2.6 and 11.3 is the value of x. The length of AB is less than the length of BC, so AB is less than the length of BC, so AB equals to 2.6. AB will be 2.6 and BC will be 30 by x or 11.3. Both are same actually, so it will be length times width. Length is 11.3 and width is 2.6. So the dimensions are 11.3 centimeter by 2.6 centimeter approximately. Next question, simplify 7a minus 4b minus 2a plus b. 7a minus 2a is 5a and minus 4b plus b is minus 3b. Expand and simplify. 3 2s are 6, x minus 3 3s are 9 plus 5x plus 5 2s are 10. 6x plus 5x is 11x minus 9 plus 10 is just 1. Solve 6x square minus 2x minus 9. Okay. Show all your working and give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. Let's try to solve this equation by middle term factorization. Minus 2x is the middle term. Now we have to split minus 2x into such two terms where minus 2x will be the sum of that two terms, and minus 54x squared will be the product of the terms. Okay, let's try. Minus 54, 54, 1s are 54. We can express 54 as a product of two numbers in such a way. In this way, 54 1s are 54, 27 times 2, 18, 3, and 9, 6. But these pairs will not work. So we have to find the solution of this equation by general solution, which is, x squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. If this is the equation, then x will be minus b plus minus root over b squared minus 4ac divided by twice a. Here a equals to 6, b equals to minus 2, and c equals to minus 9. Just insert the values. Minus b will be positive 2 plus minus root over b squared, 4 minus minus plus 4ac, 4 times 6 times 9 divided by twice a, 2 times 6. So if we take positive value, then we'll get 1.4. And if we take negative value, we'll get minus 1.07. Minus 1.07. Okay. Write a single fraction in its simplest form. X by 4 divided by 2 by y. So we replace the division sign by multiplication sign and reverse the divisor. 2 by y will be y by 2. So the simplest form will be xy by 4 to the 8. Next problem, 3 by x minus 5 minus 7 by 2x plus 1. Okay, let's take the LCM of x minus 5 and 2x plus 1, which is actually the multiplication of this expression. Then divide by x minus 5. So 2x plus 1 multiplied by 3 minus 2x plus 1. If we divide by 2x plus 1, then the remaining will be x minus 5 and multiplied by 7. X minus 5 multiplied by 7. Okay. So 3 to the 6. 6x plus 3 minus 7x minus minus plus 5. And x minus 5 to x plus 1. So if we multiply these two expression, 2x square minus 5 to the 10x, then x into 1, that is plus x, and minus 5 times 1, that is minus 5. Okay, so the numerator will be 6x minus 7x, that is minus x, and plus 3 plus 5 is plus 8. And the denominator will be 2x square minus 10x plus x, that is minus 9x minus 5. Okay. Oh, sorry, there was a mistake. This is not 5. It will be 5 7 35. And 35 plus 3 is not 8. It will be 38. Okay, so the simplest form is minus x plus 38 divided by twice x square minus 9x minus 5. Hope you understand the question. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.